So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add shapes into a design in Design Wizard. So once you have the app opened up or the website opened up on your browser, simply go into the left-hand side of your screen to the Elements tab right here. So it's this cube icon right below My Items and right above text. Simply just press on Elements. Then once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says Shapes. And if you go ahead here and just actually press this button right here on the right hand side, you can actually view all the shapes that you have access to. So you have access to a square, a triangle, and a circle. So if you wanted to add a square, just press on it right there. If you wanted to add a triangle, you can do the exact same thing. And if you want to add a circle, you can do the exact same thing as well. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can add shapes into your design here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.